Listen up, y'all. Got a story to tell about a golf course drama that almost went to hell. A former president, a gunman with a plan. Here's the lowdown on how it all began. Wesley Routh, that's the name they say. 58 years old, from Hawaii, no delay. AK-47 in hand, scope on tight. Pointed at Trump's golf club, what a fright. Secret Service on point, they didn't hesitate. Fired some shots, made the suspect evacuate. Wesley Routh and Donald Trump names in the headlines. Assassination attempt, cross some serious lines. From the golf course to I-95, a high-stakes chase to keep Trump alive. 300 to 500 yards, that's how close he got. GoPro on the fence, was he filming the plot? 2 backpacks found full of ceramic tile. What was his plan? It'll take a while. Trump says he's safe, won't slow down his game. Kamala and Joe, they're glad all the same. Wesley Routh and Donald Trump names in the headlines. Assassination attempt, cross some serious lines. From the golf course to I-95, a high-stakes chase to keep Trump alive. Routh fled the scene in a black Nissan ride. The license plate readers, nowhere to hide. Martin County Sheriff pulled him over quick. Said he was calm, emotions didn't stick. Left-wing causes, that's what he supported. Ukraine and Taiwan, that's what he toted. The story unfolds of a Sunday golf game that got real bold. Remember folks, violence ain't the way. Stay safe, stay calm, live to see another day.